Hey guys, welcome back to Upclick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to unlink two Instagram accounts. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you want to unlink two Instagram accounts here, or more than two Instagram accounts here, well, this one is quite simple. So just to give you an idea, if you click on the drop down button or your profile name at the very top of your screen, you should see a lot of Instagram accounts that are connected to your current Instagram account. So just to give you some idea, they are connected via the account center. So if you want to access one account immediately and you don't have to log in, or you don't want to log in every time you need to access that account, you connect those two accounts. Now, to remove them from your account center or separate one Instagram account from this account center, what you need to do is you want to go and go back to your profile, click on the three bar or the hamburger icon at the top right of your screen, and in here you want to go and click on account center. Now from here you want to go and click on manage accounts at the very bottom of your screen, and from here you want to go and click on the manage button on the account that you want to separate. Now from here you have three options, and what you need to choose is going to be the move out of this account center. So move your Instagram account into a new account center. So go and just click on it. Now from here, what you need to do is you want to go ahead and start managing this. So in this case, you can go and choose the move account. So it will lose access to connected experience here. Go and just click on it. Now from here, you can go and just click on continue and just follow the on-screen steps in order for you to remove that specific Instagram account from this account center. So it's going to be a separate Instagram account, so you need to re-log in every time if you really want to access that. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.